Hello guys, it seems like I've just finished my very first silent coding sequence, maybe, or series, not sure how to call this, and I actually did manage to create something like a general purpose visual scripting service with Python and Flask. And let me just show you that. One little thing that I actually did forget to do here is create something more beautiful on the home page. So I just quickly search for the Bootstrap Jamboardon and add a very quick intro. So okay, I'll probably better use another one from one of my projects at Upwork. So like a monkey scrape here. Like this. And let's put this a bit lower. Okay, so now it's much better. Okay, and basically what it does, so let's navigate, let's try to scrape some sort of a link, and in this particular case what I'm trying to scrape is this well-known sites with quotes. So we're supposed to scrape this text and the author and store all the results into the single CSV file here. So I just grab the URL, paste it into this text area and click the get button, and now I can retrieve the HTML response from this site basically. And what I now need to find is actually I need to find these words. So I just look for the quote itself, and I'm looking for what kind of tag does it belong to, and also the class of this tag if available. So and here we can see that all the quotes are enclosed with a span tag with a class of text, while all the authors are enclosed in a small tag with a class author. Okay, so that's exactly what I want to add here. So first tag would be called span, and the class is text, and no attributes. It's like an H reference in a tag, so things like that. It's nothing for now, and I just add one. And also I add the small tag and author, and just click this little scrape button, and I get the response. Well, basically I get the parsed the scrape data as a table. And also, if I click the download button here, as you can see, it downloads the file as in the CSV format, and that's implemented with the pure JavaScript, which I grabbed from some tutorial on the internet. And so we can see that CSV is just fine, and let's open this and see how it looks like. So, well, this is it basically. And now some issues regarding this kind of project, well, that I have encountered. You know, guys, I really wanted to deploy this project at Heroku, and I actually managed to do this, but then I deleted the app. And the reason for doing that is that it actually doesn't work. I'm not sure what's the exact issue there, but it gives 500 HTTP internal server error, and I'm not really that sure, but I think that happens because the app itself is using a requests library to perform the GET request, and probably Heroku is not gonna doesn't gonna support that. So we have a quick look at the code here. So we just go to the we go to the results page, which is this one basically. So and here we're actually making this HTTP GET request over here, and probably that's the reason why it doesn't work at Heroku. I'm not sure though, but you know, like, well, it would definitely work on, say, on Amazon Web Server or whatever, but those are kind of paid services, and I'm not kind of really ready to pay money for deploying this app. And at this point, guys, I'd like basically to ask you a question. If you're interested in this project, and if you have an Amazon Web Server or something like that where this app can be deployed, that I'd like to negotiate some details with you regarding this topic. So I'm kind of interested in developing this particular application, but only in case if this would ever be deployed somewhere on the internet. And later on, I believe, well, maybe that's a bit too ambitious, but I believe that this sort of service can be monetized one day, well, like that. So if you're interested in this sort of offer, then please feel free to leave your commentaries below the video, and I would be happy to negotiate the details with you. So that's something like that, yeah. And another idea I came up with is probably trying to make some sort of desktop version of this application, like that. I'm going to use Python and tkinter library for creating GUIs, which is cross-platform, so it would be running either on Linux or on Windows, or probably even on Mac. I'm not sure, but probably it would as well. So that's another kind of idea. Well, I'm not sure whether I'm supposed to ever to accomplish that or not, but well, we'll see. So guys, I hope you enjoy this kind of little app, and if you're really interested on how is this actually implemented, how is this done, please check out my silent coding series on this app, and I'll put the description. I'll put the link to that series in the description as well. Well, but probably this would be in one single playlist. Not sure. Well, probably it will. Well, doesn't matter. So this is it, and until the next time, and take care.